for Best Picture, is a film about bigotry, friendship, and growth, based on the story of a white man and an African-American man on a journey through the segregated South.
I can bear witness that the portrait of that time and place in our history is very real. It is seared in my memory. Black men and women, our brothers and sisters, treated as second-class citizens, threatened for raising their family or earning a living, beaten and sometimes killed for the crime of trying to live a life with dignity. Our nation bear the scars of that time, as do I.
The characters in Green Book gradually tore down the walls between them, transforming each other in the process. As this film demonstrates, any journey that opens someone's eyes and softens their heart is one that is worth taking.
Young or old, I encourage you to be an active participant in the journey. This is Green Book.
Have you ever driven professionally before?
I can drive anything.
What other experience do you have?
Public relations.
I'm about to embark on a concert tour of the Deep South.
You in the Deep South? Look at me problems.
Get your hands off him. Now!
What are you doing?
A letter.
Put this down. Dear Dolores, the distance between us is breaking my spirit. Falling in love with you
Was the easiest thing I have ever done.
Either I eat in this room or I'm not performing tonight.
It takes courage to change people's hearts.